Make $5 from listening to one song. Make $200 daily. Have you ever wondered ways to make money online just by listening to a song? Sounds dreamy. Well, we are going to show you a way of how to make money while listening to songs. You can now earn up to $200 a day just by passing time while listening to music. Yes, it's true. By the end of this video, you will figure out how you can earn online just by listening to songs. Stay till the end to find out the method, along with all the tips and tricks. Before we proceed further, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel. We know that almost all of you enjoy listening to music. What if you could make money out of something you do just for recreation? You can! A $100 for listening to 25 songs, and a handsome $200 for listening to 50 songs. Your location does not matter. You can do this from America, Africa, China, India, anywhere in the world. All you need is an internet connection and a basic smart device, and there you go. You start earning online. The process is absolutely free and you need zero investment. We will show you a step-by-step tutorial on how you can ace this opportunity. Let's get into it. The first thing you need to do is go to youtube.com. You will have to type Top Music 2021 in the YouTube search bar. As you see, hundreds of playlists will appear for you to choose from. So there are several hundred music options to listen to on YouTube. We will show you the way you can use this in real life to earn online. We will choose 3 playlists on YouTube. Here is playlist 1, this is playlist 2, and this is playlist 3. That's all for step 1. Just open any 3 playlists on YouTube. For the next step, you will need to go over to this website right here called ouo.io. You can earn money through this website by simply listening to these YouTube playlists. This method works by using URL shorteners. Anytime someone visits your link, that is the URL you shortened. You will get money for it. Over here on the top of the website is the link of those YouTube playlists we chose. Every time someone clicks on the link, they will be led to this page. What you need to do is copy the link of the playlist and come back to ouo.io. On scrolling down, there will be a section for shortened URL. Just copy and paste the URL or link to the YouTube playlist chosen earlier. Press this button right here afterwards. The YouTube link will automatically be shortened. Click on the copy option now. That's all. Now the money you earn might vary. We will tell you how much money you can earn with ouo.io. Sometimes you will make loads and sometimes you will only earn a few bucks. ouo.io operates by paying a person for all the real visitors that use these links. For every 1,000 views, you will get a sum of at least $1.5. The location of your visitors highly determines how much you are going to get paid. For example, if your visitors are from Australia, you will get $5. For visitors from the United Kingdom, $4.3 will be given. Visitors from the United States of America are compensated with $4.1. No matter where you come from, at least $1.5 will be paid to you. Before we go further into the video, tell us in the comments from where you are watching this video from, so that we can get an idea of your location and come up with online earning options accordingly. Stay till the end to find out how you can earn through this. Earning money through YouTube music videos sounds cool, but for that you will have to connect your YouTube with ouo.io to get paid every time someone clicks your link. Be attentive so we may show you how you can do it. Click on this sign up button right here. This will direct you towards another page for sign up. You will be done in under a minute. All you need to do is enter the details that are required. Type in your username, email, and password in the required fields. Confirm your password and click on the sign up button. After your account is created, you will be logged into the website's dashboard. It will show you the amount of money you can earn from the shortened URLs. Click on this button of shortened links. Next thing you have to do is paste the URLs from the YouTube playlist in the field right here and click on the red button. The link you pasted will be automatically shortened. Every time someone visits this link, you will get money based on the visitor's location. Do the same with the other 2 playlists as well. On returning to the dashboard over here, you will see all the shortened links. As you can see, here are the 3 links for the 3 playlists. This takes us towards step number 3. All you need to do is go to this website called the Linktree. Linktree can help us earn 5 to 6 times higher. How? Let me tell you. Linktree does its work by combining 6 links. Every person who clicks on the new link will be taken to the YouTube playlist, and whoever clicks, you will be paid. More visits means more money. Signing up for the Linktree is very easy. Click on this button right here, and we will take you to a page where you will have to enter all of your details. Just the basic details, like any other website, and your account is created. Next thing is to click on the button under the link section to add a new link. Paste the shortened link for the playlist one here. Go back to YouTube, copy the title of the video, come back here, and paste it as well. Here, we will repeat the process for 3 links but can carry it up to 6. The main link will be generated. Hey guys, it's time for a bonus tip now. Go to reddit.com and create an account. If you do not have one already, search the term music on the Reddit account, and you will have to click the music subreddit. Our Music is a forum for music and songs. You can see several people sharing and posting music. You can also add your links here, and since Reddit has a huge community, people will start visiting your links and you can start earning through it. We hope you had fun watching the video. Now you are aware of the most exciting and easiest ways to earn through music. Thank you for staying till the end. Do support us by expressing your thoughts in the comments. And before you leave, do not forget to smash all the like, subscribe, and share icons. See you next time with another exciting video.